In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all properties in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to back up your data or analyze it on another platform, exporting your properties is a straightforward process. So, let's jump right in and walk through the steps together, ensuring you have all the necessary information to successfully export your HubSpot properties. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This serves as your gateway to accessing all the tools and settings you'll need. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot user guide URL or access it directly from your HubSpot homepage. Once you've landed on the user guide, you're in the right place to begin. Now, look for the settings icon or link. It's typically represented by a gear symbol and you'll find it in the navigation bar. Clicking on this will allow you to delve deeper into your HubSpot customization options, including accessing the properties of your account. With the settings open, you'll need to find the Properties section. This section houses all the information and attributes associated with your HubSpot account. To find it, scan through the menu options until you come across the Properties link. Go ahead and click on it. You're now seeing the full list of properties associated with your HubSpot account, which will later be crucial for the export process. Before we proceed to export, there's one more step. You're going to click on Archived, or 0. It might seem a bit counterintuitive, but even though it shows 0, you will still be able to access archived properties when exporting. This step ensures you retrieve every bit of data associated with your properties, including those that you might have previously archived but wish to keep track of for your records. Once you've clicked through the necessary tabs and checked the archived properties, you're set for exporting. While the direct export option isn't listed here, most of the time in HubSpot, you'll find export options either at the top right or bottom of the Properties page, indicating your readiness to save and manage these data externally. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet simple walkthrough on how to export all your HubSpot properties. Remember to always verify your exported data, ensuring everything you need has been downloaded correctly. By following these steps, you can securely manage your information and utilize it for further analysis or backups. If you have any more questions or need a hand with another HubSpot feature, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!